how to unlock keyboard on Windows PC/laptop. So here, as you can see, this is an example. Let's say if your keyboard is properly plugged in and it's showing lights and everything, but it's still not writing for you. So you've basically turned something on called filter keys. So how do you turn off filter keys? So it's pretty simple and easy. What you need to do is just basically hold the shift key on your keyboard. So the shift key on the right side of the keyboard beside enter key. So you just gotta hold that key until you hear a beep sound. So you just gotta basically hold the shift key and until you hear a beep sound. So you gotta make sure you have turned your volume up to basically hear that sound. And you just gotta hold it until then you hear that sound. And then you could basically use the keyboard just like that, and you could basically type whatever you want. So yeah, this is exactly it on how you can unlock your keyboard or turn off filter keys. So yeah, I hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. Until then, goodbye, and that's it.